Okay, went ahead and I changed the filter. As you can see, they're small. Didn't, not a whole lot of oil come out of there. And you can just change the filter. You don't have to drop all of it. Like I said, I've got it over 2,000 left on this oil change, so I just went ahead and changed the filter. And put about a half quart in there. I went with the max life. It's a stop leak, but I don't think it matters either way. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Now see what she sounds like. There you go. As you can see. And there we have it. Like I said before, yeah, you can get into these. Mine's got a little over 100,000 on it. If they bother you real bad, you can check on YouTube. There's a lot of other guys, they're pulling the oil pumps or pulling the valve covers, maybe even heads and stuff. But, if it straightens it up, why not go with just a little bit of transmission fluid? Always check your levels. This has been my experience. Yours may differ, but just a suggestion.